Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Kelvin Spragley and I am the Director of Teacher Education, and I have been teaching in higher ed for 12 years. I'm passionate about teacher education because I believe that every child deserves a highly qualified teacher. And so by being a former public school teacher and now working in this arena, this gives me the opportunity to truly give back, impact, and affect the future. We have these strong community partnerships with local school systems where our students are able to go out early on, participate in field experiences. When our students reach that student teaching aspect and they have to complete the PPAT, this electronic portfolio, we provide them editorial and editing support in the classroom where they truly learn how to become reflective practitioners so that when they are actually in their own classroom, the transition is really seamless.
Hello everyone, I am Taylor Webb. I had several teachers here from Edgecombe County and also Nash County just tell me that Wesleyan was such an amazing program, especially when it comes to the education department. They were telling me about all the professional developments that they did and also all the different activities and just different things like that that really helped them grow as a teacher. Most importantly, they also gave us different opportunities to go into the classroom to actually work with students and to actually see if this is what we want to do when we do graduate. Just to make sure that we have some experience so that we're not blindsided when we go in for practicum and even for student teaching. And I think my most memorable moment from the education department at Wesleyan would have to be planning events with Dr. Brewer and with some of my classmates. There were several professional developments such as the after-school tutoring program celebrations that we have, and also little celebrations that we used to put on before we did any final exams. We would put those on so that students aren't so stressed out about their upcoming exams. But different events like that and actually helping plan it and organize it was really fun, and it was such a memorable moment for me.